Here you can see and hear how worn the old one already is. Hello everybody, it's me and my W169 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Today I'm hopefully gonna fix a rattling noise by replacing this ball joint on its lower front suspension. Since those rubber bushings may also be worn after 16 years, I opted for changing out the entire piece. Perfect. Once raised high enough, I can now think about placing jack stands here underneath. This one in the left-right direction and the opposite in front-rear. So here's one sturdy nut which connects the wheel hub to the joint. It's a 21 hex but can't be attempted with a ratchet because of the half shaft here in the way. The cool thing about those adapters is that I can use them now with a big ratchet. Those legs don't fit behind, unfortunately. Maybe I can now give it a try. Yeah, maybe I try it the easy way. I'm afraid this won't work that way. Let's detach the joint itself. Number 2. And the final one. Here we go. Yeah, if you want to see how even this thing can fail, check out my Jaguar S-Type playlist. Here you can see and hear how worn the old one already is. Let's now unbolt the lower arm itself, starting here at the front. That's an E16 and negative torques, only accessible here through this hole inside the frame. Maybe I'm just an idiot. So I'll now have to remove the ball joint from the new suspension arm and mount it onto the old one. As you can see, the outer bolt holes allow a certain variation. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. So let's first install the new joint here into the lower arm. And now I need to bend the arm downwards, which isn't all that easy. Let's better go the opposite direction. This should not prevent the joint turning with the nut. And now let's give it another try. Yeah, this actually looks better. Yeah, a screwdriver helps to get the holes aligned. Perfect. Torque spec on each of those is 55 Newton meters. If this video was helpful, you may want to watch some of my other content as will be displayed here on the end screen. See you back on my channel. Goodbye.